what's your recipe? Can't get that for free. A catastrophe is what's happening. If it ever leaks, we gon' need to speak. Want the world of me, that's a travesty. What a tragedy, why you mad at me? Fuck with me, you'll lose your sanity. Tryna deal with me, can't you see? This your fantasy, let this shit just be. You and me, prehistoric bitch. Fuck your boring shit, you ain't shit. Let me pour the fifth, I was born the fifth. And I told the kid, now I'm on this shit. That's just how it is when you focus it. You start honing in, you just gonna win. You bring out your zen, then you bring it in. And your friends, hold on to this lens, it's gon' help you